Ever wondered how to make your own holy water for witchcraft? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to explore this fascinating process. First and foremost, gather your materials. You'll need a bowl, natural spring water, sea salt, a white candle, and a silver item. This could be a coin, a spoon, or even a piece of jewelry. Now begin by cleansing your space. Light the white candle. It's a symbol of purity and it sets the tone for the ritual. Then fill your bowl with the natural spring water. It's important to use spring water because it's pure and untouched, just like the energy you want to infuse into your holy water. Next, add a pinch of sea salt to the water. Salt has been used for centuries in various cultures to dispel negativity and protect against harmful energies. As you add the salt, imagine it's purifying the water, making it even more potent for your witchcraft. Now take your silver item and hold it over the bowl. Silver is known for its cleansing and healing properties. As you hold the silver over the water, envision it amplifying the purifying energy of the salt and infusing the water with its own powerful energy. When you're ready, gently lower the silver into the water. As it touches the surface, imagine a ripple of energy spreading through the water, sanctifying it and making it holy. Leave the silver in the water for a few moments, allowing it to charge the water with its energy. Congratulations, you've just made your own holy water. But what's so special about holy water in witchcraft? Well, holy water is a potent tool in any witch's arsenal. It's used to cleanse and purify spaces, objects, and even people. When sprinkled in a space, it can dispel negative energies and create a protective barrier. When used on objects, it can cleanse them of any lingering negative energy, making them safe to use in your rituals. And when used on oneself, it can help to purify your aura and protect you from harm. In summary, making your own holy water is a simple yet powerful process. It's a tool of purification, protection, and energy cleansing in witchcraft. So the next time you're preparing for a ritual or simply want to cleanse your space, remember the power of holy water and consider making some of your own.